Welcome, my name's Harry. Now, this is a video that I was given an idea to do by Bo from Outback Cleanups. If you don't know him, he's a guy who goes around Australia literally cleaning up the outback. Awesome bloke, and I wanted to just say all the proceeds from this video, all the monetization I get from this video will go directly to him to help him clean up Australia. So, just want to get that out of the way because it was his idea. This is how to set up a normal awning by yourself. So, unzip it like usual. Now this is where you need to be ahead of the game. Pull your poles out before you unroll it. Unroll it. Poles down, but not too far. The reason you don't want to go too far is that you don't want it to catch the wind like that. Keep it down low. Push them in tight, lock them off. Grab your pole and rope kit. Now, if it's really windy, I recommend having the pole and rope kit out before you even start. Okay, hook it on, peg in. Now, of course, in some ground you will need a hammer, and this, it's just a demonstration, so I'm just going to do it as quickly as I can. And that is a setup 2x2.5 awning in normal conditions. Now, each awning is different. Some have built-in ropes, some have pegs at the bottom, some only have a single piece pole, all that kind of stuff. But overall, it's pretty comparable. So hopefully that will let you leave your friends alone and be able to set up your awning on your own. Oh, and this is the pack away, real time. Pegs out. I should mention, this is our neighbour's car, and our neighbour also happens to be my wife's boss, so don't screw this up. I actually have to say, this Rhino Rack awning, very nice. It feels very well made. I don't know how much they cost. I assume they're not particularly cheap, but feels very good. Nice compact bag, which I really like, very slimline. Same thing, let the poles hang, roll it up. Done. Oh, nearly done. Got to include this stuff because it's the reality of setting up an awning. Next video, I'm going to compare the setup time of this to a poleless 270. So let's go and do that. Next video is down below.